CLAT 2027 aspirants, the big news is out. The consortium of NLU has finally released the notification, and you can see that on 6th of December 2026 your paper is there from 2 p.m. to your 4 p.m. We are seeing this from last 2 years that on first Sunday of your December, you see your CLAT UG paper, and this time also on the same date, that is your Sunday, December 6th, 2026, from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. you will be having your CLAT paper. Also, the point that 90 days window that has also been followed from last 2 years. So from this particular year also, you have given a timeline of 3 of August to 31st October 2026 for your application window. So you can start filling your application form from the 3rd day of August 2026 till the 31st October 2026. One more thing that is very important is that in morning we have seen, we saw that the expert committee has mentioned, yes, there will be no changes in your syllabus and pattern. I am sure that the pattern is going to be same, your passage and question pattern in the form of your 5 sections, that is your cons, logical reasoning, legal reasoning, your GK GS parts and your English same. But the syllabus is something that gets me in a very concerned way, because my logical reasoning syllabus has been very shortly defined, and in the last 2 years 3 years papers we are seeing that logical reasoning paper is that logical reasoning part is not limited to your critical reasoning, and we are seeing analytical reasoning as well. And since 4 months are left for your paper, and we should expect that, yes, as the paper came last year, this paper, the analytical reasoning will be followed. So ADA 247 has got you a very good news that from now we have made our batches in such a way that when you will go in UG PG entrance and law entrance 5 years and 3 years, when you will click on CLAT, you will see Achievers Pro and Achievers Batch. In these batches you will find my logical reasoning part divided into both your analytical reasoning and your critical reasoning section, and each and every other part, that is your cons, your GK GS, your legal and your English, all these things are the study plan that we have mentioned in this particular batch. Each and everything is looked into from past years, all the things that have come in past years, all things we have researched on it and we have put in this particular batch. You can access this batch from ADA 247 app. Currently we are giving you a 38% discount, but if you use my code, that is HARSH, you will get a 40% flat discount, HARSH. When you will apply this code, when you will click on apply, you will get 40% discount. And also if you download our app and then you buy this particular thing, this percentage will be 41 when you use my code HARSH. This batch has just started. We started this batch recently, and we will be covering each and every aspect of this particular batch. The classes have not gone so much, so there will be no backlog. 28 the class is meant to start. Orientation has just done, and you can still join this particular batch and be that person who will secure his NLU seat this particular year. Thank you so much, guys. If you need to ask anything else, you can contact with me. There is a Google form given in your description box. You can comment below this video and ask your doubts. I am always there for you. And don't worry, we will get that NLU seat this year itself. There is no dropper thing. There is no such thing as next year. We will achieve this goal this year. We will sit in our NLU and we will start preparing for our LLB preparation.